Hello, this is Terry again. Sorry it's been taking me so long to get back. We did the reno and then I ended up with so many shadows that when I tried to record, I just kind of gave up on it. But I did find a space today where it seems like the shadows are kind of minimum. I mean, you can kind of see that I'm still getting them, but right here on the paper it's pretty minimal. And anyway, I am going to come back and I probably won't be doing too many of the mechanical or the little books I made. I do have a couple more to show you that I will get to, but anyhow, I wanted to come back on and just kind of show you what I've been up to, do a little bit of a layout share. And so here is, I caught Santa outside my house, and so I got a picture of him. And this is some paper that I had in my stash. I love paper with words on it. You'll see that a lot. And this one I used some flair that I had made, also some Santa and other Christmas things from the Minte collection. I think it was called The Sweetest Christmas. So that's that one. And here is one of my granddaughter. She was actually at a wedding, but she looks like she is got a ticket for a train. I just thought it was the cutest picture. And here is the Graphic 45, and it is the Couture collection. And then I used also this phone because she's got this little phone in her hand, and this is actually from the Minte collection, and I forget which one it's from, but if you ask me, I'll let you know. And yeah, I use Ticket to Ride, put a little road sign here and a little ticket. I love how it turned out. Okay, and here is a picture from a wedding that we were at, and this is Tegan again. Tegan is my second granddaughter. And anyhow, this is my oldest daughter, my second daughter, and me here. And these are all pictures of Tegan. This will go in her book. And I used things from the P13, I think, is these little the little floral and the cups and the tea things, and then also this little snail. And then I use Graphic 45. It's like their little fairy collection. I forget what it's called. I need to write that stuff down before I do these again. But I just wanted to do a quick one today. Oh, and this will actually be on the, it's like the companion piece. I just can't get it in the screen today, but I will be setting it up a little better so that you can see everything at once. And like I said, I'm just doing a short one today. Oh, it's from Once Upon a Springtime, the Graphic 45 paper is. So here again, I got the flowers from that P13 paper that I have. I don't remember what this other paper is, but if you ask me, I'll try to hunt it down. And so I've used those, and I call it Shh, Baby's Sleeping, because she's got her finger up and she looks like she's going, shh, be quiet, because we were at the wedding, and this was at the rehearsal dinner, the reception, and everything was pretty loud. And then we have Tegan again. And this is so funny because it was actually Thanksgiving, and she just left the room and came back and dressed like a witch. So I just thought it was so cute. I took a picture of her, and then I called it Not Halloween. And her mother said, "What were you thinking?" And she says, "Pash the mashed potatoes," because that's her favorite thing that Grandma makes. And here she is again. And it says, "Want gravy?" Because that's the kind of face you get when you get mashed potatoes and gravy with Tegan. She loves them. So does her sister. It's what they request when they come to Grandma's. And this is the Gingham Gardens from My Mind's Eye. Love that paper collection. And here is some old papers from my stash. I've had these like since I started 20 years ago. And this is Tegan, and she's crafting. She is making these Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ornaments out of cork. So I'll be doing all sorts of these things. This is one of my favorite designs. I love like the vertical, like I did here. And I'm sure a lot of, that's one of my favorite designs. And here I did the horizontal band. And this is Tegan again. And it's so funny because we get these pictures, and here's her and her mom. They look just alike. We always call Tegan her mom's mini-me. Well, I hope to be back in a week, and I'll probably do another layout share then. And then after that, I'll be starting some tutorials. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.